the Molly Suds laundry powder. I have been using this for a couple of years because it has better ingredients in there. It is unscented, so it doesn't have any of these chemicals or dyes or brighteners. This bag is heavy duty. It does 120 loads. It's gentle on the clothing. I haven't had any issues with messing up my clothing or anything like that. All it takes is a level scoop, and that cleans the clothing well. They don't have odor. So just put a scoop in there. And that's all there is to it. Now, I have tried a couple of the scents, but I prefer this one that's unscented. It says you can use it as a stain remover, but I have never tried that. I pretty much just use this, and I love that it only has 4 ingredients. So it's got sodium carbonate, bicarbonate, magnesium sulfate, and sea salt. And this was made by a nurse, pediatric nurse. It's just a really great formula. So I just put it in there like you would any other detergent and turn my laundry on. I used to have some issues with skin irritation, but those issues have cleared up completely since I've switched to unscented clean detergent. It works really well on stains. It works well for dirty, stinky clothing. I haven't had any issues with it. The clothes don't smell. They don't smell like a scent, but they smell really clean. And so I just think this is a great alternative to your scented, super scented, and color dyed detergents. This is a much better option, and I get a subscription that comes with 2 bags, and this lasts me months and months and months. So it is just a really great laundry powder.